Assalamualaikum guys, hello everyone, come back again with me, Anggun Putri Handayani from Tadulako University. Here I will present material about Discover learning model in mathematics. Okay guys, before getting into the material, let's first identify what Discover learning is. Discovery learning is a learning method that applies inquiry-based interaction. Discovery learning is also a learning activity that maximally involves all student ability to learning to search and investigation systematically, critically, and logically, so that they can discover learning on knowledge, attitude, skill as from of before change, building on past experiences. In other words, this method encourages students to find experiences, be actively involved in learning, experience the learning process independently or actively by discovery, because learning is centered on discovery so that students can maximize their potential to seek knowledge and develop their curiosity. Based on interview with high school teacher, the problem the face related to discovery learning model are teacher to use of discovery learning model can affect students how are passive in the learning process, especially in mathematics. In the case, there are 3 students that I use the phrase research from Epa Wiradarmawan Supratman 2019. The results, the study concluded that discovery-based learning media to improve problem-solving ability needed to be developed and students found learning to be less interesting. Second study of Yuni Kartika Nahar Murani Hutapea Kartini 2020. From the text results, it was found that the ability to understand mathematics with the result that there was in encouraging in learning outcomes using the learning tool tasks were developed. 3 study from Gusti Ayu Mahayuti Putri Kartika Dewi 2022. The result of evaluation the application of the discovery learning model in learning mathematics during the pandemic for teachers saw results that are classified as effective. From the result of the research, I got that the use of discovery learning model can improve study ability, one of which is their ability to solve problem and critical thinking skill, because in discovery learning students are required to be independent and able to solve problem and develop new thinking that are found. This learning model really turns student independent as developing the knowledge by student and strengthens student to dare to try new things, so experimenting and finding friends. But it cannot be denied that this learning model from some students is considered less attractive, because in this learning process only benefit students who have more ability than other students who are superset of being passive students. Under these circumstances, the weakness of the learning model is that passive students will find the very difficult to follow and balance the learning process with this discovery learning model, because these students experience difficulties in developing ways of thinking, acting, and benefit in following the learning process in class school. Based on the result of interview, literature, and field reviews, the discovery learning model cannot be used in various subjects. Its teacher must pay attention to what material is suitable to be present with the discovery learning model, and must also pay attention to the characteristic of the student who will be taught, because not all students can use the discovery learning model. If, for example, in the circumstances where the student will be taught are more characteristic of passive student, it is central the learning model of discovery learning, which is so far greater challenge for students to be able to solve their one problem, the developing a way of thinking and understanding, while it differs from the passive student thinking, because passive students are more likely to expect help from others and are more likely to prefer explanation of teacher that having to discovery so research for information on their own material. Although stimulus have been given more than one time, but students understand that's not got to what is intended, it will hugely affect the result of learning and the purpose of learning to be completed, because the model of learning is used to the student way of thinking is totally offside. However, this discovery learning model can be done in class if the student with active character is more dominant than the student with a passive character. That the learning model can do by a system group with a heterogeneous group recruitment. For example, it is possible that the learning process with the discovery learning model can go well for its learning purpose, but if it is not heterogeneous, that the learning process with no go will and certainly will not work. And so it greatly affect the passive learning of student. Possible one will increase the difficult to develop because the learning model is used inappropriately and change student passive characterization. Had the question, can the use of the discovery learning model influence passive student in the material learning process? I can offer the idea of suggestion that a teacher should be able to give material to this or her student by using preparation model and method of learning, and also not forget to notice the character of the student to be taught, so that the problem can be solved by doing so. This one, teachers are able to determine the learning model to be used according to the material and characteristic of student. 2. Teachers are able to develop activities and passive student by prepare method with even to pet active student ahead of passive student. 3. Teacher mode communication and cooperative with student parent in order to know how operation way to be used to develop student passive characterization, register the talent interaction of the student. 4. Teacher makes something that can interest student attention so that the material present look appealing and easy to understand. 5. Teacher must be good at looking at the situation in the classroom so that classroom management can be controlled according to the condition and learning process. And finally, thank you for watching. Cat Fleet, Jelly Fleet, don't forget to like. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye guys.